Hey friends, welcome back to IZ's world. Today we're slithering into the wild world of snakes. Check this out, anacondas are some of the biggest snakes in the whole world. They can grow longer than a school bus. Whoa! Over here's a rattlesnake, listen to its tail. Rattle, rattle. That's its way of saying stay back. And wow, look at this cobra. When it spreads its hood, it looks super scary, but that's just to protect itself. Don't forget the pythons. They squeeze their food with giant muscles. Squeeze, squeeze. Snakes may look a little spooky, but they're amazing animals that help keep nature in balance. Which snake is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. And remember, hit that like button, slither on over to subscribe, and join IZ's world for more wild adventures. Bye! And remember, if you ever see a snake in the wild, stay calm, keep your distance, and tell an adult. Never try to touch or play with wild snakes. They need their space to stay safe, and so do you.